In North Carolina, the state Supreme Court says 65,000 plus voters do not need to prove their eligibility to vote. Now, their votes were challenged by a Republican judge in his race against a Supreme Court justice, Associate Justice rather. Dina Harley has the latest on the back and forth court battle.
A temporary block from the North Carolina State Supreme Court saying more than 60,000 voters do not need to immediately prove their ballots from the November election were valid and legal.
So that's where we are. We're sort of one ruling by the Court of Appeals that's been appealed to the highest court in the state. But I don't believe it's going to stop there.
The state's high court ruling comes after a state appeals court on Friday said the tens of thousands of voters had 15 days to prove their ballots were legal and should be counted. Their ballots are being challenged by Republican Judge Jefferson Griffin in his race for a state Supreme Court seat against incumbent Democratic Associate Justice Allison Riggs, who won the election by more than 700 votes.
This is continuing to be a legal drama playing out 5 months after the election was wrapped up.
If the ruling did stay in place, experts say the State Board of Elections would be tasked with notifying voters of their obligation. The stay is in place from the state Supreme Court while the Riggs campaign formally appeals. Political experts say either way, they're worried about election integrity in the state after all of this back and forth.
People expect their elections to be wrapped up close to Election Day, and when they see it goes so deep into the court system, they start wondering, well, does my vote really count?
That was Dina Harley reporting. This race remains the only one in the entire nation still not certified following the November election.